YouTubers, welcome. I'm King XL Lee, and this is King Cuts. I welcome you to my channel. Today, I'm doing a fade utilizing the Walls Magic Clip cordless modified N0 gap with an SPX blade, as well as your Walls cordless detailers. Two pieces of equipment to achieve a clean fade. I'm gonna do some step-by-steps. I'm gonna do some voiceovers just to get you to interact and understand why I'm doing what I'm doing. So I hope this is informative. I hope you can gain some knowledge, some understanding concerning why I do what I do, and hopefully you can apply it to your own style and skill level. I hope you enjoy this. Peace. I'm going hard in the paint. No, I'm not. I swear I'm not. I'm just gradually going into the parietal bridge just to establish a soft line. I just need enough to establish the shape of this fade as like the ultimate guide. Whoa, wait a minute. Those are not trimmers. Those are my magic clips. They've been modified with an SPX blade and zero gap. And the same thing you would normally do with your trimmers, with setting that line and balding out. I'm about to do it right here with my magic clips. Check it out. Did you see that? I know you see that. That pause right there. Ah! I know you see these gloves I got on. Yes, they're vinyl gloves. They're not latex gloves. The brand that I normally get, which is by Elegance, they're sold out everywhere. There's no other alternatives or substitution. So I found what I could just to protect my hands, and I'm safe. I'm safe though. That's what matters. I'm safe. So I know most people right here would be when they put on their number one guard and they'll move into the next step. Me, I just kind of want to just get that out the way. You know, just stick with the blade, drop it halfway and start knocking out that initial line and then move on to the number one guard. So it's preference, but this is what I did for this cut. I hate dark spots. Do you hate dark spots? I hate dark spots. Oh, it's so detrimental to the fade. So as you see me knocking out this dark demarcation line, I'm most definitely using the corner of my blade to hit some of those dark spots. The ones that are obviously visual to me, I am most definitely focusing on them before I move on to my next step. Dark spots, gotta go. So as you can see, starting from the temple area to moving back to the occipital bone, I am riding my guard straight up off the scalp, trying to achieve taking length softening up that area. I am not debulking. I'm only taking length. I would take my 1.5 guard next, and I would debulk that area between that 1 and that 2. And I'll work it until I have achieved debulking. All right, so just check out my step, and in the comments, tell me what you think about that. So the mindset here is to do all I can do in this step before I move on to my next step in order to achieve the cleanest fade possible. So now that we are in the parietal bridge, I'm using the technique clipper over comb because of his hair thickness. And I would love to hear people comment on that. All right. As you can see, I'm starting from the temporal area, and I am creating a guide by pulling my comb, going into the hair, pulling my comb parallel to the scalp, and establishing my first initial guide, and following that guide all the way back to the crown as low as to the occipital bone. This technique I found to be more useful than doing the shear of a comb because of his hair thickness. So again, I would love to hear your comments. Would you have chosen to utilize the technique shear over comb, and why? guys enjoyed that? I hope you enjoyed it, man. I hope you gained some knowledge, some information, some understanding, new terminology. I don't know, but I hope that you guys gained something. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. If the content was good, if the information was good, share it, comment, respond, give me some tips. Help me. Help me. You guys be blessed, stay safe, enjoy, keep growing, keep cutting, keep barbering, keep shearing, all of that.